Hey, welcome everyone to unboxing the Soundcore Space One Pro noise cancelling over-the-ear wireless headphones that also support a wired connection. So they're putting a lot of emphasis on noise cancelling technology, and I have reviewed the original Space One headphones from Soundcore. They're pretty darn good. I'll put a link to that review in the video description, as well as a review link to these, the Space One Pro, because I'm going to be thoroughly testing them, putting them through the ringer and see what we can get out of them. So I'm kind of stoked that they've kind of improved the design, if you will. One of the improvements here is listed here in this little quick start guide part of the box is the folding design. They seem to really heavily advertise this feature, so you kind of fold in on themselves. Very compact, cool. It's it's nice. Don't get me wrong, it is nice, but it's not like groundbreaking or anything. But for some reason, they put a lot of emphasis on advertising this feature. But hey, at least it's there, right? I will put some stress tests on it to see if does that compromise the physical sturdiness of the body itself, like having that folding mechanism. Are they compromising strength, right? So I'll have all those results in the review. But continue on, what else do we have? Okay, so I think we're gonna have some bad news with the carrying case because it looks like a pouch, but let's just get the boring stuff out of the way, which is like the safety and warranty information. And yeah, here it is. This is the carrying case. It's just, there's nothing to it. It's just fabric. It would have been better if it was a hard carrying case, so a little unfortunate. And the auxiliary cable as well as the USB-A to USB-C cable. So again, a link to the review for the Space One and the Space One Pro will be in the video description. Be sure to check them out. And that's pretty much it. So if you found this video useful, be sure to check my social links and website link in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.